Hi, good evening. Today I am here to present one topic which I have got, ensure effective joint field work. I am Anup Minch from Ranchi, Crescent Formulation Private Limited. Friends, let's start the session and I'll be presenting my PPT, ensure effective joint field work. So as in pharma sales, we all know that we go for joint field work. Even we as a medical rep, when we were there, definitely people would be coming. They used to come and have a joint field work with us. So first of all, why joint field work is necessary? So my purpose of joint field work would be that how my team is doing field work, whether they are doing their work properly or not. So, and definitely to know, to analyze the things, whether the territory is performing, how it is performing well, how they are doing. Definitely to help and guide them in working and on-job training, to meet the key customers and retain the relations, to create and break new prescribers, customers. Definitely to find new opportunities during field work, like so many nursing homes, hospitals, small nursing homes and all these nursing homes. So we need to find some opportunity. For that also we need to go and ask for the thing. In fact, does my team is following the company strategy? Our company strategy is like 60 into 3 visit and 65 into 1 visit. Maybe some campaigns are going on, so whether they are following the campaigns or not, whether they are properly distributing the inputs or not. So these all things are been there, the back of the mind, the purpose to do the field work, and definitely to motivate the team building activities, so as to motivate them as a team, and we need to, for a common goal, we can achieve the same. So the second slide is there, definitely the analysis and coaching. So I'd be definitely, before joint field work, I'll ask my territory sales manager in the particular area that to come 1 hour before at least, so that to talk, a lot of things are there. In fact, to maybe a planning, analyzing what the calls have been made and what are the results, impacts earlier in the earlier joint work also. So whether what is the call average, I have to do my own background working also, whether what is his call average, what is his call coverage. So all this discussion I have to make. Now whether the previous joint work task given is completed or not. If completed, then definitely I have to compliment them, I have to praise them. If something lacking, when discussing the same to the and correct, if something good has done, then appraise the same in front only. So setting objective of the day call plan to be written in pocket diary, which is a very good, like I also keep my pocket diary. I have to pocket diary is there, so it is a good habit, things to be done today, important doctor, chemist, stockist call. So the day planning must be there, ki what call today we are going to do. So the day planning and working. Now every call has to be a pre-call planning, and post-call analysis must be done after every call, whether the doctor had any query at last call or not, whether how can this doctor be converted to our prescriber. If he's already a prescriber, then well and good. Now what things can impact him by RCPA? Sometimes the chemist does not give that much of information after RCPA. The compounder of the doctor, the key person of the doctor, the personal assistant of the doctor, he could give some of the informations like surveying and probing in between. They can tell, अरे 2 दिन पहले सर की बेटी का बर्थडे था. Now we are writing all the things, that doctor birthday and all, but he could tell, अरे सर का बेटी का बर्थडे था. We can go and wish, अरे डॉक्टर साहब गुड इवनिंग, कल आपकी बेटी का बर्थडे था. We can talk in this way also, start our call in positive way. So or maybe some incidents might be happened. So we can just ask it can give a positive impact. So before call, every call there is a RCPA or information must be gathered from different sources. So the third slide will come, definitely preparation of call. Like I have to ask my TSM, my colleague, to working bag is arranged or not, their day plan, input, sample, literature, whether they have carried it or not. I have to ask them ki put it in your bag. Now I for area managers, we need to carry our visiting card also, proper groomed or not. Sometimes people may be chewing pan masala and all. So smooth breathing before going to the chamber, not bad smells should not be there before entering the chamber or not. These are the normal etiquettes of the thing which we need to train and teach also people, and for we also to follow. Now on duty training is during bike riding, not talking. I don't prefer to talk too much, asking all the things, but definitely I take care of my people. It's not all the time like business and company and all the thing is there. I used to ask them whether they are handling their driving license or not, insurance or not, helmet they are wearing or not. It's our, as a good citizen, we should show an example also as a salesperson. It's definitely the business is there, we are gone, but it's a overall training and overall development for our colleague also. So training as important doctor information, definitely I'll be asking that whether what are the business updates, targets, secondary sales, primary sales information, what how he perceived that, what is the information with him. Sorry, I need to update him whether this thing should be there in mind all the time. The business should go in the mind all the time. So they should think in this way. The sales orientation part should be strong, that he should feel that I am here for the business, for the common goal. So during call waiting or gap, definitely we can talk about the product knowledge, the product information. Suppose the brand, he has some query, he need to ask something, whether he has some doubt or query, he can ask. I can definitely, if I know, I will teach. If I do not know, definitely I will ask my senior help or some PMT department help to ask them the query to clear. The company strategy, the sales tips, definitely asking him about the MRP, PTR, the competitor information, whether he has got or not, whether he knows the brands of the competitors or not. These are discussions definitely in that time we have to do. Now during call, the hero of the territory is my territory sales manager during the call, definitely. So during call at the chamber, appraise the TSM. Doctor must also feel good about the teamwork. We must also let the TSM lead the call. In between necessary, we can probe the doctor. Definitely, if it is an important doctor, we need to go and ask, and definitely we need to, if the person is not ready, not handling, is not properly handling, definitely we can handle the call or we can lead the call. If it's not trying to present in a good way, then we are going and handling all the things. But it's jumping in between the call, it's not good. So let the person complete, and then definitely we can go and add and memorize and do the thing. Now analyzing the call and activities of TSM, we must praise the guy in front of everybody. Now after the call also we are meeting a lot of people, other company people also. So we need to praise our person in front of everybody, and if he is something negative is there, some wrong is there, definitely we should correct him privately. The second thing is utilization of off-call timings. The off-call timings are there. Many territories have off-call timings. We must utilize the same time in visiting stockist, collecting data, sitting with the stockist, analyzing the sales figure, what step can be taken to improve the sales. Would be discussed with the TSM also. So as to his also mind should be known that he is for the better sales orientation. Now RCPA, POB, personal order booking, doctor order, approval from the company, if some mails has been done or not, mail has to be written, some prints out has to be taken. Now calling seniors, in that between we need to do all these things. Now information gathering is also very important during this period with chemists and stockists. If any issues like near expiry goods are there, slow moving goods are there, we get a lot of information which needs to be jotted down in the diary, both for TSM and for ASM also. Now the post call, all the calls has been finished, the day working is finished, the post call analysis and assignments. After doing 10-12 calls of the doctor, 10-12 call of the chemist, we need to analyze what were the good things, the positive things, which doctor gave the buying signal, what are the things we should improve, or how tomorrow, what is the planning. So even if something good has happened, definitely we need to give the compliment to the territory sales manager, the AMR. Even if the area manager role is there, we need to give him the credit, give him the compliment, so that after all it's a teamwork only. So if something good, not good happened, do the corrections. Assignments, definitely if everything is good, we'll give the assignment that आज जा करके डिटेलिंग प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, जो भी POB वी हैव कलेक्टेड टुमारो वी विल गो एंड डिलीवर इट टू द डॉक्टर POB. If a stockist has to be delivered, we will submit all the details to the doctor. Collection, day, so plan next of the day call. So as a conclusion part, if I come today, definitely effective joint field work is for effective and productive outcome through my experiences. And what I feel that area manager is not a burden to TSM. The TSM should not feel that we have gone them कि अरे यार मेरा manager आ गया अब तो मेरा लेगा. So ASM is not to have a burden for a TSM. The TSM should enjoy my area manager is coming. I have to work in a better way. We have cracked a new doctor, new opportunities, new findings and all. So we are here for the collective efforts for a common goal. So joint field work is not only teaching. Lastly, would I say it's not only teaching and guiding for the TSM, but every call, every single call and every single meeting is for my personal learning. It's for my own development. So I think I have covered all the points. If some points are lacking, definitely I will improve myself in my next video. So thank you and for watching me till now. Thank you very much.